Welcome back again, guys. It's Chef Rudy here, and as you can see, we have my pots on already. I got some peas already pressure. We're gonna make some rice and peas. We're gonna make some Sunday dinner today. We're gonna make some carrot juice. We're gonna do some fried scotch bonnet chicken, guys. I see I got all my fresh ingredients here. Got all my dry ingredients. We got some coconut grace, coconut milk. We got some jasmine rice, and we have our chicken half prep right there. We got our habanero sauce right here with mango habanero sauce. We have our scotch bonnet, everything grind up already with the mango and the habanero sauce. We gotta do some nice fried chicken with some rice and beef today, guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Carrots here, we're gonna cut it up. The water is there boiling. I like to blanch my carrots a little bit. And a lot of people, they make it natural, but it's good to make just the carrots like that, but I like to blanch them just to get any bacteria or anything off there. I mean, I wash them and everything, but you like to put it in hot water. You know, this is the way they teach us in culinary school, guys. So just blanch it a little bit. Blend it in that water, make some carrot juice. So guys, I'm starting with the juice first, because I don't want to have the chicken around and the juice at the same time. So we get the juice out of the way, put it in the fridge to chill. Alright, then we take on the chicken last. So we're going to do some rice. After we put this to blanch, you can see our carrot is there on the stove, getting a little soft. All right, then we grab the rice. We're gonna wash that rice down, guys. Always making too much rice, so I'm trying to cut back on my hands heavy with the rice. I got my pot over here already seasoned up. Get my rice pot seasoned up already. My peas there. All right. We need to add a little bit more water in there. My peas went down a little bit. We need to add some water. And of course, we're gonna add the coconut milk, guys. We're using a grace pack today. I'm doing 3 pots today, guys, so I can't spend too much time on one thing. Going with the easy way, we're gonna do some Grace coconut milk to the pack right there. One and a half pack. And here we have it, guys. Nice creamy rice and peas. I pressured the peas for 15 minutes earlier. There we have it, guys. We're gonna add the rice to the pot. So I got 2 things going already, guys. We got the rice on. course, we're gonna have a scotchy just for flavor. Boom, right there. We're not gonna burst it, we're just putting it there. A little bit of salt. Second wash. Like I said, guys, I already blend my habanero sauce in the blender. There you have it. Got my gloves on. Marinate that chicken. We're doing some fried chicken today, guys. I like to marinate this overnight. You could just take a fork and test it a little bit more. Yeah. I think it's soft enough. We could take it off maybe like next 2 minutes. So I'm just making some steamed cabbage today too. I know you always see the cabbage, but you never see I'm making it, so today we're adding that in the video. Alright guys, so I'm here with my flour base. Alright, put a little salt in there, a little garlic powder, and I put some baking powder also, a little bit of paprika, and we're gonna get frying, guys. So you wanna dip your chicken in your flour base. Got the oil nice and ready. We're making fried chicken today, guys. We have some Scotch bonnet, season up the oil in there. You don't want to put too much in your pot, just make sure you got enough space for them to fry properly. Like I said, guys, we're making fried chicken today. My rice and peas, I'm just gonna check on it. Looking good. look at that, guys. We're halfway there. We got our chicken, got a nice color. We got the cabbage is done. Look at that, some nice steamed cabbage, and we got the rice. We are in the process of cooling our carrot juice in the freezer. Not recommended, guys. Your mom not gonna like that too much. But we rushing today, so we put the carrot juice in the freezer. We get it to chill, and like I said, we halfway there. Look at my setup. We got the raw chicken, we got the breaded chicken there, and then we just drop it in the pot. And after we finish with that, we're gonna drop it here. Jar there to place our carrot juice. Now we're doing some original coconut milk. Some people go with just the regular condensed milk. I have condensed milk here too, ready to go. Nutmeg, vanilla, some ginger, some sugar, and we're good to go, guys. We're making our carrot juice. Alright, we got some coconut milk in there. We got some bedding, some condensed milk. And we're gonna put some sugar. Alright, I like mine with a lot of milk, nice and creamy. I'm gonna put some nutmeg and some cinnamon. Nutmeg and some cinnamon. Alright. Want some vanilla extract. And vanilla. There you have it, guys. Smell nice with that cinnamon. So good. Like I said, guys, I like to quick chill mine, so I just throw it in the freezer, and we're looking good. Looking real good with our fried chicken. There you have it. Nice color. I think the rice is done now. Real nice, good, nice and shelly. Because like I said, we're halfway there, we're almost done. Like 75%. Okay guys, like I said, we're ready to plate, and there you have it. Mango habanero sauce with scotch bonnet and some nice fried chicken. And we have some carrot juice here. There you have it, guys. So guys, like I said, Foodie here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.